Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box contents of Carcassonne base edition board game. Here is my Carcassonne box and let's open it to see what's inside. And here is the instruction to the game. Then here are the 40 followers in 5 different colors, because the game supports up to 5 players. Then here are land tiles to build your land, and that is a scoreboard here, as you can see. And that's all within the box of Carcassonne. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.